can we then take your time and help understand option two here? Because somebody may not want to wait for payback, which is delayed, maybe as in after 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. So what are the options they have?
Sure. The second option which we are being providing is known as the early income option, where individual who requires early income from the second year onwards, where this income can be used in their day-to-day needs for, let's say, tuition fees, or let's say child education, it can be used. So here two options are there, where an individual pay for 7 years and get income for 7 years. A second is you pay for 10 years and get income for 10 years. But here from second year onwards, you are getting cash back. So if, let's take an example, if I pay 10 lakh rupees today, second year I will get 2 lakh rupees as a cashback. Third year again I will get the 2 lakh rupees as a cashback, and I'll keep on getting that cashback for next 7 years. Then my regular income starts from the 8th year onwards. So here I'm getting the regular income plus I'm getting the cash grant from the second year onwards. Similarly, if I go for the 10-year option, I get 25% as a cashback. So if I invest 10 lakh rupees, I get 2 lakh 50,000 rupees from next year onwards, and we keep on getting it for next 10 years. And post that, again for next 10 years, I'll get my regular cash flow. So it is a product where individual is looking for early income, where they're looking for guaranteed tax-free income. So this has been designed piece. They are getting 25% as a cashback, as I said, 25,000 rupees from second year onwards. They'll be keep on getting for next 10 years. Then post that, they will get a regular income of 1,33,000 for next 10 years. Okay. So basically your income starts from the second year onwards for next 20 years.
Okay. That's very interesting. So friends, compared to the first option where you pay for 5, 7 or 10 years and then get your paybacks after 6, 8 or 11th year, here it's a much better option. It's a slightly more, I would say, early income option gives you the advantage of some predictability of a cash back. So again, one of my friends mentioned, he could commit more because he knows that iPro is going to give him 25% cashback every year. So he doesn't have to shell out the big amount. I mean, it can give you that little bit of leverage. Or it can also give you the early income tax-free, which you may need for your day-to-day needs right from the second year onwards. So while you're committing for 7 or 10 years into the early income plan, here you also have the flexibility of immediate benefit. Again, that is tax-free. We keep harping tax-free, friends, because as Ethical Advisors has been constantly pointing out, there are very few tax-free avenues now left for salaried and business people from their passive incomes.